Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to add a language in Windows 11 computer. Now for this, go to the start menu and then click on settings to open Windows 11 settings, or you can make a right click on the start menu and then click on settings. Now go to time and language. Now over here you can see the option which says language and region, so click on it. Now over here you can see the option which says add a language, so click on it. Now you can go ahead and select the language which you want to install on your Windows 11 computer. So for example, I'm selecting German. So you can go ahead and select your language, whatever language you want. You can go ahead and select your language and then click on next. And then you can go ahead and select these options, whatever options you want, you can go ahead and select it. Then click on install. Now over here you can see it's been added over here. Now when you click on this three dot and when you click on language options, here you can see it's downloading all the file. So it's downloading the language pack, and after the download it will be added to your computer. It's already added over here. And if you want to go ahead and switch to different language, if you want to select different keyboard layout, different language, you can go ahead and select it from the list. So if you want to switch to French, you can go ahead and select it. If you want to switch to German, so first of all you have to go ahead and click on add a language, then you have to go ahead and select the language which you want to install, then click on next. And then after everything is downloaded, once the download is complete over here, once all the options are downloaded, then you can go ahead and start using the language. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.